Hi, my name is Kat. I just got a really exciting package from Graphene X. I'm gonna test it all out. Let's open it all together. I'm really excited because I do lots of different sports. I do a lot of yoga, I teach yoga, but I'm also a long distance runner, and even in the depths of winter I train outside. I also like cycling and swimming, and honestly I kind of live in activewear, and it's nice to try something new. It's interesting to try a different brand with a different approach to outdoor and activewear. So oh, it's got a little pack. Oh, that's so cool. So this is the AeroGraph Puffer Jacket, and I've read about it. It says that it keeps you extra warm because they use the aerogel technology in the fabric. So let's have a look at it. Quite a neat package for a puffer jacket. I think it'd be cool when you take it in your luggage. Hello. Okay. Can you see? Oh, it's so beautiful. And it's got like a drawstring bag, which I'm gonna guess that this whole jacket should fit in this bag. We're gonna test this later because it'd be amazing if it does, because as much as this little zipper case is size appropriate, this would be even more amazing. Oh, and it has a repair kit. Oh, that's really good. Honestly, the amount of puffer jackets that are written off because you have one cut and all the filling comes out. And as a woman, I always check how many pockets something has. Oh, it's got multiple inside pockets, one with a zipper. I like that. And your two big pockets on the front. It's got a little loop. Don't know if you can see it. To properly test this, I obviously have to wear it outside. It's about -4 Celsius, and we are going to take it for a run. I'm deliberately wearing nothing but a tank top underneath. Let's do this. Test number 2, I'm walking to meet my friends, and it's going to get colder as it gets dark. So the true test is going to be on the way back, probably. Styled it with jeans and boots. I think it looks just as good. Time for the ultimate test. Does this whole puffer jacket fit into this little drawstring bag? The answer is yes. I don't know if I folded it the most efficient way. I kind of rolled it up like a burrito. This is really compact. I think if you were to put it in a suitcase, it would squish even more. Although I'll probably just wear it on the plane because it's super comfy, unless you're going somewhere already warm. I'm on a walk and I want to share some thoughts about this puffer jacket. Honestly, I love it. As an outdoor girly, this is perfect for me. And I deliberately put the hood on. It is cold, it is freezing temperatures again. I just want to show you this little feature, the elastic. It really stops any cold air going in, and if you're cycling or running, if you have face wind, it doesn't blow the hood off your face. And on the sleeves you've got the elastic as well. I've had that on other jackets, but this is I love that so much. And there's an elastic around the back, around the bottom of the jacket, that can also be tightened up so the air doesn't come up from beneath. You know, I'm far from being an expert on fabric technology, but it does keep you warm. Like, I wish there were a pair of gloves with this material because you warm up really, really quick.